That's the shit, homie. Woo! Oh, yeah. I was doing all that on this baby. Look at that shit. Got the disc brakes in the front. Got a new fork. Got the Rhino Dillo protectors inside the. It's like a strip in between the tires and the inner tube. You know what I'm saying? So nails and stuff like that won't go through. Man, I got my picture on this little thing that I'm making. I'm making a body for this bike. This is just gonna be like like my little my template. So when I want to make a whole bunch of other ones, you know. Oh, look at that motor. Look at that Cyclone motor, man. 1200 watts. Got my horn, air sound, air horn. Woo, that echo is hell of a. And I had, this is my camera mount right here. You know, I made this. It has the opening for the power, so I can charge it, and listen to my music on this side, and all the other stuff too. And the little openings so I can turn it on and off. Got my gloves sitting up here, got my throttle right there. Brakes is my left and right signal. Right there in the back of my seat. Got the suspension seat post. Got a new Avenir seat, pretty cool. Key ignition battery. Got a light in the back of my bike. So at nighttime, it's a white light. I have it flashing. It's the same lights as the one in the front. And yeah, I call my bike Short Circuit. It looks just like it. You look at the front, see its face. Beautiful face. Got air suspension. Come on. Kryptonite lock. I'm about to change this battery and rack and put it to the seat post rack, and then have it to where the battery that's going to be inside of that, I just take the bag off and just walk into McDonald's and charge up while I'm eating, you know. That's how I do. But this is what I was doing, all that, having that fun on, man. This is my bitch right here. And I got the, matter of fact, let me just go ahead and test it out for you. It's my, what do you call it? Turbo spoke. So yeah, this bike sounds like an actual real motorcycle. Pretty cool, y'all. But that's it. And I'm out.